Hey guys, Thomas Talon here with MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. Today I'm going to walk you through one of my favorite Yamaha boats. This is the 222 FSH Sport center console. Great boat by Yamaha, beautiful boat guys. You'll see this one has got the slate gray outside hull color, white bottom. It's got the nice black rubber with the stainless insert. Got your pop-up cleats throughout the whole boat. Got your nav lights and docking lights as well. Let's take a look at the back swim platform. All right guys, taking a look at the swim platform, you'll see your traditional Yamaha swim platform back here guys. You got your cup holders on your back. You've also got cup holders that are also integrated to rod holders as well. You've got a nice spot for your table to drop in right here. Grab handles for your telescoping ladder. Perfect spot for entertaining and hanging out. Let's take a look at the inside. Welcome aboard the 222 FSH everybody. What a great boat. Taking a look at the bow, you'll see plenty of seating. Nice full-size seating. I'm almost 6 foot tall and completely stretch out. Nice ladder up front and anchor locker. No shortage of rod holders or cup holders on this boat. More rod holders, cup holders up front, cup holders here, more cup holders here. Guys, plenty of storage with trash cans located on both sides. Storage up here in the bow. You've got rod lockers here on the side, more storage for rods on the side of your console. Taking a look at the helm, you'll see everything's nicely laid out. Yamaha Connect screen, wireless phone charger, all your controls. Helm is left open here to add any depth finder that you would like. Stereo, got your reversible seat right here. You've got 2 flip-up seats on each side here. And of course, you've got your live well with a nice lid for viewing all your bait. Guys, what a phenomenal boat here at MarineMax in Greenville. For more information, give us a call or stop by our showroom. Thank you and have a great day.